Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about another topic as new advertise policy. Like nowadays what we do is like to promote our post or business or about any kind of product, so we give advertisement. Like now you can see that there is like the new policy is like if we write here, like here saying to write something, like you have write something here, and then you have mention like saying Facebook and Instagram, this would be okay. Oops, Instagram, this would be okay. But if you write this by using hash Facebook or hash AB in or Insta, so this is how you can post. But whenever you want to post these as advertisement, it won't be showing. Like this is the new policy. Like I have also noticed something here already. I have already taken the screenshot. Like your ad, like after I have mentioned the Facebook and the Instagram as a keywords, like this was not approved yet. Like your ad was not approved because it doesn't follow our advertisement policy. So if you write the Facebook and the Instagram in your advertisement, then your advertisement won't be approved. So for this is the new policy. We have to remove the hash Facebook or Instagram or the abbreviation such as like AB or IG as our keyboard like brand assets. Then our ad would not be accepted. So we have to avoid this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.